Hey there, it's Zach Lipson. I'm Mr. Fix It the Realtor with the Jason Martin Group, coming at you from my mobile office, aka my car, where I spend a lot of my time. And in this episode, I'm going to be talking to you about how to maintain your cabinets, keep the doors from falling off, and fix those hinges that often get loose. This is something that's pretty simple to do as long as you've got a drill, so check it out. On first glance, this looks like any old cabinet. However, when we open it, not so much. The door doesn't hold. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you how to get this to properly attach. So the problem you'll see here, we've got a bunch of holes. We've previously drilled in through this part before, but now we've run out of any actual wood to attach to. And while I would love to just be able to put a shim in here and have something for the shim to grab, that wouldn't allow the door to close properly. So now we're gonna do something where we actually can still put a new screw through here, but we're gonna drill through part of the top of this or the bottom of the bracket there and make just a hole fine enough so that we can get this properly affixed to the cabinet. So there are two ways we can do this. We can either unscrew this from here, because this screw here is just a screw that adjusts the opening of the door so that there's not a space between the two doors, or else we can try to drill straight through here with it on. I prefer to do it this way, but I'm going to take this off just to make sure I can drill this on the surface. Now I've got my part off. This way is what mounts up here. So I'm going to pilot a hole up here to screw into it. I might even do two, but I'd like to start with just one for now and see if that holds it. Before we even drill the hole, we want to think about what size screw we're going to use, and then we want to match that size screw, the thread of that, up to the drill bit we're going to use. This is not the correct drill bit, but I'm just showing you for example, just so that the screw actually fits through the hole you drill. Since I'm at my mom's house and I don't want her to kill me for ruining her countertop, I'm making sure to put something beneath here. I've got just some wood shims, but you just want something that if your drill bit goes through too fast, you won't have damage to the countertop or whatever you're drilling on. So I'm just going to gently kind of pilot a hole here. I've got a hole through there, and I'm going to be able to now take my screw and put it straight through there into fresh wood. So now that I've finished drilling this, I'm going to give it a few minutes before I actually touch this piece of metal, because metal on metal creates a lot of heat. So something to do before you start to take the door off is mark where the bracket goes. That way you don't have to reconnect this piece to the door. And that way you can put this on and then connect your door after. However, in this instance, I didn't think ahead. So I have to reconnect the door to these pieces and then put it on here, mark where my hole is, and at that time I can then screw this in, and then we'll see if we have a perfect door or not. I've reconnected the door. Next thing up is for me to go ahead and drill the screw in. So now I've screwed it in. Moment of truth. And it works perfectly. 2 thumbs up! Thanks as always for watching this episode of Mr. Fix It the Realtor. I hope you found it to be useful. And please keep the comments coming along or suggestions for future episodes. If you want to be featured, please let me know. And as always, be sure to check out our YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe. Thanks.